Hello kiddos and welcome back to my channel. Happy New Year to everybody and anybody out there watching my video. It feels really weird filming because I haven't done it in like 2 weeks. I'm really sorry. I just got back, yesterday? Did I get back yesterday? Yeah, I got back yesterday from my trip to California, you guys saw. But yeah, I also cut my hair. I had already cut it, but I cut it like 2 inches shorter because I don't know, I just wanted some sleek in my life. Due to the haircut, I just started loving wearing very streetwear-ish type clothing, and I didn't really have any. So today I have another try on haul, of course, featuring some Fashion Nova stuff. Before we get started, please subscribe to my channel. It's free and you get a cookie. And also follow me on Instagram and Snapchat and Twitter because I do things on there. I felt compelled to making this video because I just feel like I haven't really seen a lot of curvy girls rocking some streetwear. I need to be one of them that changes that. Also my girl Danny DMC, she wears a lot of streetwear. Like, I love her style. But I don't know, I always see like more petite girls wearing, you know, the oversized things. And of course I know, being a curvy girl myself, I do try to stay away from very, very oversized things. But damn, like, it looks real cute. So I picked out some things that you can style as streetwear to help you kind of like spice up your closet, because I know I needed to spice up my closet. It was looking way too dark, way too just grim. No, that is not me. That's not my personality. So I need some neon, therefore got some neon. Now a little bit of a disclaimer because I know you guys are gonna freak the fuck out. I have a lot of neon in this haul, but yeah, just saying, you're probably gonna get tired of seeing this slime green neon color, and I'm sorry, but I'm just really loving it right now. My nails are neon, my case is neon. ooh. The first thing that I have for you is what I'm wearing right now. It is a neon turtleneck. It's cropped. It is called All I Am sweater in a size large. Fits me perfectly. It hugs me. It's stretchy. Oof. I love this material. Like, it's not this cheap thin sweater wannabe that I call. I just love the way that it looks. I love the turtleneck. It literally goes all the way up to my neck, which is great because it hides that double chin. Just love the color. Like, why? Who wouldn't want this? Who wouldn't? Come on. Come on. This is $34.99. Now I do think that's a little hiked up for a cropped sweater. I feel weird saying the prices now because last time I said that a shirt was too expensive, that was $15, and y'all just be paying $15 for bad quality shit. So I'm just gonna say the prices and not say anything about it because people just be bitching all the time. So, you know, everybody got different budgets. Everybody wants to spend money on different things. So let's not judge each other. Okay, the sleeve length is really nice. It's cozy. I feel warm. It might be a little bit, just a tiny bit too cropped for my liking, but I feel like I would like it just a little bit longer because I feel like if I lift my arms you could probably see my bra. Now all of the things in this haul, I didn't buy them to really pair them together. They're just kind of staple pieces that I see very frequently on Instagram. It's winter still, so I need sweaters, so I have a sweater. This one is just a long plain sweater which I can wear with cargo pants. I can wear them with just some nice jeans and some sneakers. Like, I love staple pieces because duh, I love me some boring clothes. Apparently y'all think I wear PJs all the time. It has like kind of like a scoop neck and it's very open. That's the word. It's very open. Now this is, I guess, from like another of their brands. I don't freaking know. They carry other brands. It's thinner than this one, but it's still a nice material. Like, again, it's not this cheap material, and I can either wear it out because usually I tuck my stuff in if it's not cropped, but this one, I mean, I kind of like the length of it. It's not way too long. I kind of have like a tiny torso. I really like this. I just like the staple piece. Yes, go ahead with a nice coat over top. Yes, honey. Then I actually have a hoodie. Of course, it's not gonna be streetwear if you don't got a hoodie. Hello. So it is called the French Terry hoodie. I just got it in a navy blue color. I don't carry navy blue. I don't know why, but after I got that one dress from the Boyfriend Rich My Outfits video, I tried on the navy blue and I was like, that's a real cute color. Plus it would look really good with the sneakers that Nick got me. And also it's weirdly stretchy. It's a very stretchy material. It's very thin though, I will say. So definitely, you know, you're not gonna be super warm wearing this, but it is cute. Okay, next I have a bodysuit. Would it really be a real try on haul if I didn't have a bodysuit? So this bodysuit is called Simply Fabulous One Shoulder Bodysuit, black, size large. It is a off shoulder, I'm sorry, no. It is a one shoulder bodysuit. What I love about this is that it has a thong, a clasp thingy bobber, and it's only one button. You know, sometimes when you're out and about and you go to a restaurant or you're at a club, let's say you're drunk and you have to clamp this again. No, I feel like it's kind of see-through. I was trying it on and I think I might have seen a nipple. I'm not sure though. I'm gonna have to double check on that. This is $22.99 and it also has a shoulder pad right here. Then it makes this one shoulder look more structured. Okay, next I have kind of like a little twist. I have this crop top, but it has like a mesh material and it also shapes to your boobs, which I actually thought was really cute. This is nothing that I thought that I would wear, and I just saw it on the model and I thought it looked real cute. So it is called No One Can Compare Top, size extra large, nude. Now I'm really glad I got this in extra large, which I didn't remember that I did, but I'm glad because I mean, it fits me perfectly and it's real stretchy and comfortable. And I mean, I don't really know how small the large would fit, but this fits like a large. Doesn't even feel like an extra large. I feel like you would need a little bit more room. But nevertheless, it's real cute. This is very stretchy. Just the entire shirt has a lot of stretch, which is nice. It's comfortable. I hate uncomfortable shirts. This is also $22.99 and yeah, it's also not see-through, which is real nice. The only thing though is that it just lifts, so I don't really know how to even wear a bra with this, you know, because it has a little shape for the boobs, but I also don't want to not wear a bra and then have my boobs just be out. All right, next I have some mom jeans. I actually had gotten two, but one of them didn't fit. These jeans are called Not Your Mama's Distressed Boyfriend jeans in a medium blue wash, size 15. These are $49.99. Okay, so I have another pair of mom jeans that you guys have seen many times. I just love the fabric because they're thick, and I don't know, sometimes I just like my structured pant. I don't always love stretchy jeans. I mean, I do, they're comfortable, duh, but it gets old. Sometimes I want to be a little bit more mom-like, hence their haircut. I got these in a size 15 because the 13, I mean, I know they're gonna be tight eventually. They do stretch out a little bit and then they fit me just how I want them to, but yeah, I don't feel like squeezing it anymore. So I got a 15. They fit me perfectly. I mean, see, this is my problem. Like around like the crotch area, it's always tighter, and then up at the top, it'll be loose. So I don't know, but these fit me okay. Like I like them. I'm gonna hate it when they stretch out because maybe I just shouldn't wash them. I don't know. I have a rip right here. It has like an actual hole, and it has little distressing right here. It has it on both legs, and it's also cuffed. And I'm excited because I wear booties a lot. So when they're cuffed, the booties that go up to my ankles, beautiful. Okay, here's another neon. Sorry. Ooh, bright. Okay, this is called Moments After One Shoulder Top in a size large, off the shoulder. So this is the part that's on your actual shoulder. It's the perfect length. Like I love the length of this sweater, but I think this band is like way too thick. I don't know if you can even see it on camera, but this is way too thick, so it makes it just a little bit constricting. Other than that, it's really nice. It's very similar material like this one, but it's a little bit more on the rough side. I don't know, I guess mixed feelings, but it's still really cute because I love this color. Clearly matches my nails. Okay, next I have just a plain cropped crew neck. This is called the Jasmine Raw Hem sweatshirt. A color mustard, but it's bright orange, so in a size large, and this is $14.99. So it's just your typical just crop, and I don't even think I have any orange in my closet. So now right here it has a hem going all the way down the sleeve, and then I don't know why, but the actual like cuffs are really thick and so soft, and it just makes it feel like really nice quality material. However, the rest is just a thin material. So I don't know, I think I like the sleeves more than the actual body of it. I don't know, it's weird, but really comfy. I'm really excited to wear this. Next, this crop top that says Mamacita. However, I'm real upset because it's see-through, like so see-through. This is called the Mamacita ribbed LS top. I don't know what LS stands for, but it's there. It's in the color lime and it's a size large. Again, I love the length of this crop. It's not way too cropped where it's like under my boob, but it's cropped enough, you know, to have some nice high waist jeans. I'm just angry that it's so see-through. I'm upset. This was $17.99. Okay, next, this would not be a streetwear video haul if I didn't have some cargo pants. So, the Amelia oversized cargo pants in a size extra large. These are $34.99. Actually very affordable for pants because I would think, I don't know, these just seem more expensive than what they are. We got pockets everywhere. We have some weird lining crossing going on. There's just nice olive color. It's not too green and not too brown. It's just a really nice olive color, which I love. I got them in an extra large. My only complaints. Oh wait, they also have like little cuffed, not cuffed. What is this called? Scrunched up ankle, whatever. It has buttons all the way down. It has what, 5 buttons? 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. It has 4. I can count. It has 4 buttons going all the way down. There's no zipper in here. So I told you in the crotch area, like the whole area where my thighs are, it tends to always be very, very tight, and then the rest it'll just be loose. So my waist in here, obviously it fits, but I can definitely maybe like an inch in more, and then that would fit me perfectly. Also, it doesn't really show off the booty all that great, which is fine. Like, I wanted them to be baggy, but I also wanted my booty to pop, so I don't know, mixed opinions on that. However, they're still really cute. They will look real cute with some sneakers or some heels, like nice little crop top. It even looks real nice with this. I tried it on with this, looked real cute. I'm not lying to you. I'm really not. Okay, then I have some leggings. Well, they were called jeggings. So these are biker looking jeans. I don't know what to call them. These leggings are to die for. I'm obsessed with these leggings. I don't even know if it comes in other colors, maybe black, I don't know, but I really love the charcoal gray because I don't have any charcoal gray leggings. I don't really have any leggings left anyway, so I need a new pair. But these are these thick, I don't know if they're double lined, I don't know what's going on, but they're nice. Now these, I think these only come in like 2 sizes, so it's a small medium or a large extra large. So I got it in a large extra large. It fit me perfectly. The band is super nice, has a lot of support, and it's thick, so I would love thick. Plus it just gives you a little pizzazz. Like sometimes if you're just wearing leggings, you look a little bit too dressed down, but these with some sneakers. And the very last set I have neon. I'm sorry, I apologize. I just kept seeing neon stuff and I just think it's the cutest thing in the world. Anyway, this is a biker short set. It's called Also Plush Neon Biker Short Set in a size large, $34.99. This is like, okay, remember those Juicy Couture sets? It's this material, like the same material, just very thin, but pretty much feels like that. So I just have a neon set, but I don't know, I think I liked it more on the picture than in real life. The band right here is all messed up. Can you see it? Yeah, it like got sewn weird. It does fit me, but they're also not as high-waisted as I wanted them to be. Yeah, I don't know, I'm not loving the shorts. The shorts I can go without. It should have just been the crop top. Now this is like crop, like crop top, so it goes right under my boob, but it looks really, really pretty, and it would be cute just to wear out, honestly, like on a night out if you don't want to get lost. Big green slime ball. I don't know, the shorts, they're okay. So that's it for my try on haul. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I of course love making these videos, probably my favorite type of videos. I'm gonna have 2 more try on hauls this month, so please let me know what your favorite piece was in this haul. Mine was clearly this one. If you watched through this whole video, thank you so much. I also want to thank you guys for 50,000 subscribers. That is amazing. I will be doing a giveaway very soon. I just need to get my shit together so I can actually post it. But stay tuned because I will be doing that very soon. I hope you guys are having a wonderful day or a wonderful night or whenever you're watching this, and I'll see you in my next one.